Foods you can eat on the paleo diet. Veggies, Part 1. Here is a list of 10 veggies you can eat on the paleo diet. 1. Asparagus. Asparagus pairs well with fish, and since fish features so prominently in the paleo diet plan, you should add a bundle of it to your shopping cart every time you're at the grocery store. It can be eaten raw and tastes delicious this way. 2. Broccoli. Surely you know that broccoli is good for you, and on the paleo diet it's important to get good sources of fiber to help keeping things moving digestively. Balancing out a portion of meat with a good helping of broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables means you're getting a good nutritional mix. 3. Cabbage. Cabbage has so many benefits to it that it regularly makes the list of healthiest foods to eat. These include anti-cancer benefits as well as helping with heart health. It also contains fiber which you'll want to be sure you're getting enough of. 4. Artichoke. Artichokes are a tasty addition to any salad and make a great side as well. For extra flavor and to make any meal more filling, try Roman artichokes. These are larger sized artichokes that you can use as the central part of your meal if you need to. 5. Beets. Beets are a superfood that you're probably not getting enough of. They contain specific flavonoids that you just won't find in too many other vegetables. You can easily imagine Paleolithic gatherers finding these growing wild and pulling them out of the ground. 6. Celery. If you don't like the stringy nature of celery, consider adding it to a paleo soup, or dropping it in the blender for a paleo green smoothie. It's packed with hydration because of all the water it contains, as well as a good amount of phytonutrients your body needs. 7. Brussels sprouts. While perhaps not the best tasting food, they are definitely an item that you'll want to add to your plate again and again. One way to cook these tiny guys is to skewer them and pop them on the grill. 8. Carrots. Carrots are a nice food to keep around because they come in many forms, and are easy to take with you while on the go. Drop a bag of baby carrots into your cart on your next shopping run and you'll see that they make a cool crisp snack you can enjoy anywhere and they won't weigh you down. 9. Cauliflower. Often paired with broccoli, cauliflower is a paleo-friendly food you'll want to get familiar with if you currently don't eat it too often. It's so versatile that it's often used in recipes in place of things like couscous and stuffing. This makes it a handy veggie to try to replicate some of your favorites that you can no longer have. 10. Collard greens. You never have to think twice about consuming leafy greens while on paleo. These have a robust flavor and if you've never had them before, you're not alone. Often overshadowed by spinach and kale, this is one green you may have been missing out on.